Hey there, folks. If you're a parent or guardian in Texas dealing with the PEBT program, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to check your Texas PEBT balance for 2025 in a simple, step-by-step way. This program provides food benefits for families affected by school closures, and with updates coming in 2025, it's crucial to stay on top of your account. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your PEBT card handy, as you'll need the card number for most methods. The easiest way to check your balance is online. Head over to the official Texas Health and Human Services website, that's hhs.texas.gov. Once you're there, look for the PEBT section, usually under Benefits or Food Assistance. You'll need to enter your card number and maybe a PIN if you've set one up. Boom! Your balance will pop up on screen. If you're more of an app person, download the Texas Benefits app from your phone's app store. It's free and user-friendly. After logging in with your account details, navigate to the EBT or PEBT section and select Check Balance. This method is super convenient for on-the-go updates. Don't have internet access? No problem. You can call the Texas PEBT customer service line at 211 or the specific EBT hotline, which is often listed on your card. Follow the prompts, enter your card info, and you'll hear your balance right away. Remember, for 2025, there might be some changes, like enhanced security features, so keep an eye on official announcements from the Texas HHS. One quick tip. Always double-check your balance before shopping to avoid any surprises. If you run into issues, like a forgotten PIN, contact support immediately. They're there to help. There you have it, friends. Checking your Texas PEBT balance is straightforward and empowers you to manage your benefits effectively. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips. Stay safe and take care. See you next time.